So, hello everyone, welcome back sa ating vlog. Medyo natagalan tayong mag-upload, no? Kasi nga, nilist natin tong bahay natin, naglinis tayo, nagayos and everything. Tapos ang daming ganap. And we're focusing on something right now. But again, today, samahan nyo ulit kami ni Dayan, tsaka nila Edsel, no? Meron tayong viewing dito sa bandang northwest. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan natin kasi walkout basement lang din siya. Mas maganda yung basement, pero yun lang, mas malayo lang ng onti sa panorama. So sa mandang Maciewan, basta yun, Maciewan, basta doon sa community na yun. So yan guys, see you doon sa bahay. So yan guys, nandito na kami sa viewing natin. So ito na yung property. 800,000 tong property na to. Medyo mas malaki to kumpara dun sa tinitignan natin, pero yun lang, tinignan kasi namin halos wala nang gagawin na renovation kapag ito yung kukunin natin, unlike yung nasa Panatela or Panamount yung last time, yung pinakauna. Kailangan natin gumawa dun sa basement ng kusina, papaganda yung kusina, ayusin yung kusina sa first floor. Ito recently renovated lang siya. So kung tutuusin, yung 570 doon plus renovations, papatak lang din siya ng around 800. So binod din namin yung search criteria namin to 800,000, kaya nakita namin tong bahay na to sa Maciewan. So yan guys, tignan natin yung loob mamaya and papakita namin yung layout. So yan na guys, doon na yung realtor namin sa loob. Pasukin na natin. Na late sila Edsel, 4 minutes pa daw sila. So ito yung bahay. Simbe mo na ka na.
Check ako lang.
Hey Tommy, what's up? How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. So ito yung office.
This is like the same entrance and everything.
Yeah, except for this one. Yeah, they're just 4 minutes out for Edsel.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for them. We'll start touring around here while waiting for Edsel. So ito yung...
Access to the water basement is unavailable from the main level.
Ah,
You must go around the house to access basement entrance.
I see. They locked it. Okay. So ito yung garahe. Yep. Ito yung washroom niya, kasama yung
Dito yung laundry.
laundry tsaka washroom kasama. Ito yung powder room niya guys. Yan. Let's go here. Feels like there's a lot of walls. Oh, this one's pretty okay.
So similar to the other place?
Yeah.
Another,
Yung
okay, so
kitchen.
almost sectioned off.
Parang masikip na tabi.
Yeah, may parang masikip nga.
Masikip tignan, no?
Yeah, because they have this thing here in the middle that separates the living room and the kitchen.
They have planters here too, so you can grow some gulai.
Yeah. So maganda.
Oh, the appliances are nice.
Yeah.
Modern kitchen too.
The good thing with this one's like this is already renovated.
We'll go upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the appliances would be done for you.
Yep.
Oh, the neighbor has a big lot size.
Home planters for some veggies. I see.
So no dishwasher, eh?
Oh.
So keep that in mind as well. So they must wash everything by hand, but they have one of the
Yeah.
ladder sinks.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah.
There's no dishwasher.
So no kitchen island, no dishwasher.
And there's no pantry.
I think they just kind of use.
These
These, yeah.
things.
Yeah, they are.
That's their pantry. Okay.
And then this is kind of separated, just so you know. Like it's not flush. Whoever did that.
You have a good eyes. So, yan. Medyo madami nakikita yung realtor natin. Siya. Hi, Tel. Wow, kaya pala na-late kumain pa. So, get muna tayo. Ay, ang daming gumagalaw-galaw dito. Dito muna ka. So, dito muna. Yung master's bed. Ang daming tumutunog. Yan. Medyo okay siya. Kaso madami akong naririnig na tumutunog.
Kaya nga.
Parang nag-squill siya.
Daming langit.
Yan, daming langit-ngit to. Ito guys, oh.
Old na old na to.
Yeah.
Super old na ata to, diba?
1990 kasi to eh.
Maganda pa sa akin.
Kaya nga eh. Yun lang. Medyo, ano siya, madami siyang, ang dami akong naririnig. We'll see. Washroom. Medyo malaki yung
Luluwang niyo niya.
luluwang ng rooms. This one has 4 bedrooms. Dito, luluwang ng rooms niya.
The other showings are already here.
Yeah, you know,
I can see the car. Yeah.
the Palisade,
I only see one person in the vehicle, so maybe that's just the realtor.
the realtor. And the early. Okay.
Oh, they are leaving the driveway.
They're clearing it. Okay. It's not as good as the first one.
It's because the renovation was not done.
So,
So
yeah.
there are 2 keys on my keys here, so I wonder if we have to go through around the house.
Yeah, maybe on the side.
Yeah.
Inside the entrance. Okay. So yan guys, punta tayo dun sa basement. Kasi walang, sa kabila Teo, right, walang access yung basement from the main floor. Parang nilock out na siguro nila. So kailangan nating mag-walk hanggang dun sa dulo. Nagadute agun uni di unag. So dito yung daan ng walkout basement. We'll see. Kasi maganda yung layout ng basement nito. Yan yung yard. Oh, yan yung yard niya. Mas malaki yung yard ng isa. So ito, andyan tayo kanina. Para masikip yung ano nun, babe, no? Yung kitchen niya.
Ang sikip ng kitchen mo.
Alright,
So yan.
for it.
Let's see. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath basement. So ito siya. Living area. Kitchen. Diba decent yung kitchen niya. Hindi gaya nung nauna. Ito yung room. So ito, ang kagandahan nito, meron na siyang sariling ensuite. Yan, may ensuite na sila kung sakali. Kaya maganda sana yung basement nito, kaya lang madami tayong nakikita dun sa taas. Tapos meron pang separate na washroom dito. Kasi 2 bedrooms to eh. Okay. Blue? Yan. Ito yung kitchen. Maganda yung kitchen niya, Teo, di ba?
Like in terms of living space, downstairs is probably better for you guys, but as
Yeah.
the entirety of a house, it needs more. Yeah.
I know.
It's not like offensively bad, but you just kind of like feel it and notice it everywhere.
Let's see. So ito siya. Medyo room na to eh. May isa siyang room dito. Yan kasi kagandaan na ano, walkout. Wala na yung grill doon sa side. So may isa pang room dito. Ay, hindi na to room. Siguro den na lang to. Kasi walang closet. Lot of storage. Maganda yung basement. Basement na niya. So yan guys, maganda siya. But yeah, I guess we'll see. So furnace, original furnace. Hot water tank. Oh, may dalawang hot water tank na siya. May washer and dryer pala sila dito. I mean, washer combo. Ito wala nang guys, access papunta sa upstairs. Parang nilock out nila yung yung stairs papunta sa main floor. So, completely separate na to. So, yun yung house tour natin dito. Ewan ko kung 50-50 for now. Maganda yung basement. As in, it's not even seamless here. Big up.
Yeah. Okay. You can notice it down there too.
So, yan guys. Tapos na naming ma-viewing tong isa. Maganda sana yung basement. Kaso yung sa taas naman ang problema this time. Madaming langit-ngit. Medyo luma na rin kasi 1990. No? So, right now, inaantay na lang namin yung message ni Tommy. Kasi tinatry naming i-showing ngayon din yung property sa may Panatela. Kasi meron din ganito lang din yung price. Pero we'll see kung mag-accept sila or hindi. Yun yung next na pupuntahan natin. Pero this one, alam ko gusto ng kapatid ko. Gustong-gusto nila yung basement kasi
Maganda
ang ganda.
yung basement.
Ang luwang ng basement, di ba?
Maganda yung layout.
Yes, maganda yung layout, open concept, yung kitchen, decent, bago, right? Tapos yung living area, 2 kwarto, may sariling ensuite. Tapos meron pang isang separate na CR. Pero yun, we'll see. Tingnan natin. Magde-decide tayo mamayang gabi ulit kung paano. Kasi inaantay din namin yung offer nung property namin. Pag na-offeran yon, tsaka kami mag-o-offer. Or magde-decide kung anong property yung kukunin natin. Kung kukuha tayo. So,
Kung
yan lang.
mabibenta.
Yes, kung mabibenta.
Kung may mag-offer.
Yes. So, yun lang muna for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yun, medyo natagalan tayo mag-update kasi daming ganap sa bahay kasi nga di ba nilis namin, tas daming ganap personal. So, yun. See you sa next vlog, guys. Again, this is Edwin from Dre's Canada Vlog and this is my wife.
Ayan.
So, always remember to stay humble and always stay focused in mga goals, and as always, see you sa next vlog. Bye!